If you're experiencing matchmaking error 2025 in Valorant, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game quickly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Valorant server status page to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Valorant completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the servers and resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the error. Step 3. Verify game files. Open the Riot client and navigate to the settings to verify the integrity of your game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which may fix the matchmaking issue. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can try resetting your router or switching to a wired connection if you're currently using Wi-Fi. A stable connection is crucial for smooth matchmaking. Step 5. Reinstall Valorant. If the error persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Valorant. This can resolve any deeper issues with the game installation that might be causing the matchmaking error. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve matchmaking error 2025 and get back to playing Valorant. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to Riot Games support for further assistance.